Hello friends! Today we are going to learn how a plant grows. We will look at pictures and put them in the correct order. Let's think step by step. When you answer, we will say the words clearly so everyone can see our mouth move. Watch me first. First, we make a small hole. Then we put the seed inside. Look, try, plant. Now it's your turn. This is planting a seed. Can you say seed? Seed. Good job. Next is water, and then grow. Repeat after me, water, grow. Let's try together. What happens first? First, we plant the seed. Can you say, plant the seed? Plant the seed. Great speaking. I saw your mouth say seed clearly. Clapping hands now, what comes next? Yes, we water the plant. Say, water the plant. Good talking and thinking. Correct. The plant grows. Say, the plant grows. You did it. Growing, herb. Let's try again. What is step 1? Do we water first or plant first? Plant first. Excellent. I like how you said plant clearly. Now complete the rest. Now you try all by yourself. Put them in order and tell me. What happens first, next, and last? First, we plant the seed. Next, we water it. Then the plant grows. Wow, you said all the steps clearly. Clapping hands. Let's do it again to be experts. Show me the order one more time. Seed, water, grow. Amazing sequencing. One last time. You are doing so well. Plant, water, grow. You are a plant expert. White medium dar. Why do we plant the seed first? Very good. Without planting, nothing can grow. Why do we water the seed? You explained it so well. The plant needs water to be strong. Glowing star. Plants grow step by step. First plant, then water, then it grows. You did such a great job. You put the pictures in order and said the steps clearly. See you next time. Bye. Waving hand.